Welcome to my channel. After a lifetime of love, loss, and loneliness, Olenka has finally found new purpose in caring for young Sasha. But will this happiness last? And what important lesson will her journey teach us? Stay with me until the end because today we discover the emotional ending of the darling story. Chapter 1. Olenka devotes her life to Sasha. After Sasha came into her life, everything changed for Olenka. For many years, she had experienced loneliness and heartbreak, but now her days were filled with purpose and joy. Sasha became the most important person in her world. Every morning, Olenka woke him up for school. She made sure he ate a good breakfast and had everything he needed for his classes. When Sasha left for school, she watched him carefully until he disappeared down the road. And when he returned home, she was always waiting for him. Olenka cared deeply about his education. She asked about his lessons, helped him with his homework, and encouraged him to study hard. His successes made her happy. His problems worried her. His future became her greatest concern. Remember this powerful truth. True love often means putting someone else's happiness before your own. That was exactly how Olenka felt. She no longer spent her days thinking about her own loneliness. Instead, she focused on helping Sasha grow into a good and successful young man. The boy brought laughter and energy back into her home. For the first time in many years, Olenka felt truly alive again. Every small achievement by Sasha filled her heart with pride. And although she was not his real mother, her love for him was strong and sincere. But how did Sasha feel about all the care and affection that Olenka gave him? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2. A Mother's Love Without Being a Mother. As the months passed, Olenka's love for Sasha grew stronger and stronger. Although she was not his real mother, she cared for him as if he were her own child. Every day, she thought about his needs before her own. She worried about his health, his studies, and his future. If Sasha looked tired, she became concerned. If he did well in school, she felt proud and happy. People in the town could clearly see how much she loved him. Whenever someone asked about Sasha, Olenka spoke about him with excitement and affection. She often talked about his school lessons and his progress. His life had become the center of her world. Remember this important insight. Family is not always created by blood. Sometimes it is created by love. That was exactly what had happened between Olenka and Sasha. The bond they shared was built on care, kindness, and devotion. As Sasha grew older, he became smarter and more independent. Olenka loved watching him learn new things and develop into a responsible young boy. Every success he achieved brought joy to her heart. For the first time, her love felt different from the love she had experienced before. It was more selfless. She did not need anything in return. Seeing Sasha happy was enough. And through caring for him, Olenka began to discover something she had been searching for all her life, a deeper sense of purpose. But what was this new purpose? And how would it change the rest of her life? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3. Olenka finds her true purpose. As Sasha continued to grow, Olenka slowly began to understand something important about herself. For many years, she had always depended on having someone to love. She had devoted herself to Kukin, then to Pustovalov, and later cared deeply about Smirnin. But now, her relationship with Sasha felt different. This was not about romance or marriage. It was about helping another person grow, learn, and succeed. Every day, Olenka found happiness in supporting Sasha. She encouraged him to study, listened to his stories, and celebrated his achievements. His dreams became important to her. His future became her greatest hope. And for the first time in her life, she no longer felt empty or lost. Remember this powerful truth. The greatest happiness often comes from giving, not receiving. Olenka discovered that true fulfillment came from caring for someone without expecting anything in return. She no longer spent her days focusing on her own loneliness. Instead, she focused on helping Sasha build a better future. This new purpose gave her strength. It filled her heart with peace, and it helped her move beyond the pain and losses she had experienced throughout her life. Years passed. Sasha became older, wiser, and more independent. And while Olenka was proud of him, she also realized that he would not remain a child forever. One day, he would grow up and follow his own path. What would happen when that day arrived? And how would Olenka face the next stage of her journey? That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4. The heartwarming ending is: the years passed, Sasha continued to grow. He became a smart, responsible, and hard-working young man. Every day, he moved closer to adulthood and a future of his own. Olenka watched him with pride. She remembered the little boy who had brought joy back into her life when she felt completely alone. Now, that little boy was growing into a young man. Life was still uncertain, just as it had always been. But something inside Olenka had changed. She no longer felt lost. She no longer felt that her life had no meaning. Through caring for Sasha, she had discovered a lasting purpose. Remember this powerful truth: a life filled with love is never wasted. Olenka's journey had not been easy. She had experienced love, loss, heartbreak, loneliness, and disappointment. But through every challenge, she had remained kind, caring, and devoted to others. That was her greatest strength. She taught us that love is not only about receiving affection, love is also about giving support, showing compassion, and helping others grow. In the end, Olenka found happiness not by thinking about herself, but by caring for the people around her. And that is the beautiful lesson of the darling. No matter how difficult life becomes, kindness and love can give our lives meaning. Her story reminds us that true happiness often comes from helping others and opening our hearts. And although her journey had many ups and downs, it ended with hope, purpose, and peace. If you enjoyed the darling story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. What lesson did you learn from Olenka's journey? I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for joining me through all 4 parts of this beautiful story. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.